Welcome back with my channel Learn Arabic with Ruwa. Today our lesson about how to ask what in Arabic language. But before we start our lesson, don't forget to put subscribe. It's a small step for you, but it's big for me. And let's start. If you want to ask about what in very easy way, you have two ways. The first one, it means ma. It means ma. So what mean ma if you want to ask about noun? For example, if you want to ask someone what's your name, it's mean masmuka. If you ask man, masmuka. But if you ask a woman, you say masmuki, masmuki, masmuki. The second one, or the second way, if you want to ask about what, of course, you ask what means ماذا. If you want to ask about verb, like ماذا تريد, ماذا تريد, what do you want? If you ask man, what do you want? You say ماذا تريد. But if you ask woman, what do you want? You say ماذا تريدين. So ما if you ask about noun, ماذا if you ask about verb. This is the meaning of what. And the following lesson, we want to know how to ask about where with example. Don't forget to put like, share and subscribe. Thank you. مع السلامة.